What's going on, gearheads? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a buddy with a C6 Grandsport Procharged one stopping by the garage today. He wants to do all the fluids, so his engine oil, his transmission, and his rear diff. So we're gonna set him up with that today. So we got our fluid bundle here, everything from Mobil 1. Got our case of 5W30. This 12-quart box is good for the dry sump cars because basically it leaves you enough to fill everything up. It'll be like 10-11 quarts and leaves you 1 quart for top up, so that's good to kind of keep. And this was a super good deal. I think I got this on Amazon or Walmart for like 65 bucks for the entire case, and then the filter, the M113A, was about $10, so you could do an entire oil change for like 75 bucks if you're doing it on yourself with the oil and the filter. So that's a pretty good deal right there. We got a case of the synthetic ATF, so this is really good for the Tremec TR6060 transmission. And we got the 7590. This already has the limited slip friction modifier in it, so you don't need to add that little bottle or tube of the friction modifier stuff, so it's already in there. And this is everything basically we need to do the job. Got the books broken out here, go over the diff draining filling procedure as well as the one with the transmission. This book doesn't cover the specifics for the Grandsport because this book is for my car, which is an 09, and then have the Grandsport out in 09, but it's all basically the same stuff, so we're just going to follow along the book procedure here for both this and the Tremec TR6060. So we'll get the car in the garage here, get them set up on the lift, drain all the fluids, and then we'll get to it.
Molly, go ahead. Sam.